Welcome to the June edition of What's New in Asana. First, add pre-built AI-powered rules directly to any project without complex setup. Next, deploy ready-to-use smart workflows to get started faster in Asana with proven best practices. Finally, troubleshoot automations with an audit log of automation activities, viewing which rules have run and what actions were taken. For a full list of what's new this month, check out our release notes in the Asana Help Center.